And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a pop fade transition in Premiere Pro. Let us start with two video clips that I've got here on the V1 and V2 channel. Here's the second clip. Let me make the V2, the one on the top, visible again. And I'll go to the first frame where these both video files overlap. Now I go to Effects and type in Spherize, and under Video Effects Distort you will find the Spherize. Drag and drop it on your top video file. After you've done so, make sure that you've got it activated, then click on Effect Controls and there you'll find the FX Spherize. You can increase the radius and you will see that such a sphere is popping out of the window. Let us start at our first position with an animation. It creates the first keyframe automatically. Keep the radius at 0 here, then I'll move it to the right, create another keyframe, and now I'll increase the radius. Maybe I'll make it a bit bigger. The biggest value you can choose is 2500 in this case. And now I'll start the animation. I'll make the second clip invisible, so the bottom one. And here you can see the first one with the sphere animation. That pops out of the center and grows bigger and bigger. Let us go back to the first keyframe, and now we'll work with the opacity. Create a keyframe here as well. We keep it at 100% and then get to the end keyframe of the animation, create another keyframe for the opacity and make it 10%. Now I'll make the second clip visible again and I'll roll the clip. And now you can see that we've got this pop out effect and at the same time a fade. Just like this. And this is the same effect I use in the intro and now in the outro of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.